In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to buy USDC on Coinbase Wallet app, Get USD Coin, full 2025 guide. By the end, you'll know exactly how to move from the home screen to a completed purchase with confidence, and you'll understand what each tap actually does. Start by opening your browser and searching for Coinbase. This helps you get to the official platform quickly. Always double check the web address or use a trusted bookmark to avoid lookalike sites. If you prefer the Coinbase Wallet app and already have it installed, you can open it directly. The flow is very similar. Make sure you're on a secure internet connection and that your app or browser is up to date for the smoothest experience. Once you're on the home screen, take a moment to get oriented. You'll typically see a search bar and options to buy, sell, and swap. If you're prompted to sign in, follow the on-screen instructions. Some regions may require identity verification before purchasing. It's also a great idea to ensure two-factor authentication is enabled on your account for added security. Next, use the search bar. The instructions say to search for USDT, but because this video focuses on USD Coin, look for USDC instead. USDT and USDC are different stablecoins. So confirm you're selecting USD Coin, ticker USDC, issued by Circle. You'll usually see the asset logo and full name to help you avoid mistakes. Tap buy and sell. This opens the order screen where you choose how much to purchase. Enter the amount you want to spend in your local currency, and you'll see an estimated amount of USDC you'll receive. Take a second to notice any fees and the current conversion. Stablecoins generally track $1, but fees and network choices can affect your final amount. Select Pay With. Here, you'll choose your payment method. Different options can have different fees, limits, and processing times. Choose Apple Pay if that's your preferred method. Make sure your Apple Pay card is supported for crypto purchases and that the billing information matches your Coinbase account. If Apple Pay isn't available in your region or on your device, select another method that works for you. Tap Review Order. Carefully confirm the asset is USDC, the purchase amount, fees, and the payment method. If there's a network selection visible, ensure it matches where you plan to hold or use your USDC. When everything looks right, proceed to confirm. And that's it. Your transaction will process and you'll see your USDC in your portfolio or wallet shortly. If you plan to transfer it, double check the network before sending to avoid errors. Happy buying and stay safe out there.